If your website just exists but isn't bringing in leads, clients, or sales, you don't have a website strategy. You have a digital business card. So today I'm going to show you how to create a website strategy that actually works for your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your website into a powerful marketing tool. So let's dive in. To make this easier, I'll use a home staging business as an example. However, everything I share can be applied to any business, so follow along even if you're in a different industry. Most websites fail because they don't have a clear purpose. They're just a collection of pages with no real strategy behind them. So before you design anything, ask yourself, what is the main goal of my website? For our home staging business example, the website's primary goal is to book clients for one-on-one services. So everything on the site should be designed to make that action happen. Here's a breakdown of how the strategy works. Each component is essential to make your website as effective as possible. So we have our goal, we drive traffic based on our goal, people who are interested to our homepage or our website in general. And everything on a website is optimized to generate sales. I'll be mapping out everything using a Canva whiteboard, but you can use any digital notepad you prefer. Okay, so I'm in Canva whiteboard and let's start writing. First, we want to write the information about the business. It's our home staging business. And now it's important we write down who our target audience is, because it's also important for us to define our goal. And for the home staging business, there could be two different potential target audience. It could either be a homeowners or real estate agents. For our target audience, we help homeowners and real estate agents showcasing properties at their best, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that attracts buyers and boosts property value. I'm already thinking ahead of what is our value and proposition is to our target audience, right? We're not just staging the home. We actually help these people to make more money. So we want to address that throughout all of our copy and our website. And so let's also outline our target audience separately. We have real estate agents looking to sell home faster and for top dollars, and homeowners who's selling their home. Now looking at this, we want to write down our service offerings. And obviously, even looking at our target audience, we can have different services for real estate agents and homeowners. For real estate agents, we can have open house event and staging, photo-ready staging listings. And for the homeowners, we can offer a staging consultation or a full service home staging. Okay, this is good enough. There probably could be more services if I had more insight into this business, but as I'm just coming up with all of these ideas on a way, I think this is good enough. And our main website goal is to book more clients for one-on-one services. Okay, so here's a bird's eye simplified overview of our business. Now, based on everything we have here, we can start thinking about the pages, about the layouts, etc. Step one should be to define your goal. Before building a strategy, you need a clear understanding of your business. Here is an example of why defining your goal wrong can ruin your website strategy. So back in the days, I just wanted to drive more traffic to my website. That was like my main objective. I didn't care about what kind of traffic. I just wanted a lot of traffic, which sounded great at the time. More traffic means more business, or so I thought. So I researched the easy to rank keywords, and I came across this multiple keywords in a font niche. Since fonts are somewhat related to website design, I create numerous blogs posts around best free fonts for small businesses and trendy fonts and different for logos and so on and so forth, because they had a low competition and were easy to rank for. So what's happened, I have had success with attracting a lot of traffic for those keywords because they were easy to rank. I had a lot of visitors to my website, but there was one problem. None of these visitors were booking website design services. They weren't even thinking about their websites yet. They were still in the early branding stage, not ready to invest in website. Even though I hit my goal of increasing traffic to my website, I completely missed the real business goal, getting actual leads and clients. What I should have done, instead of chasing any traffic, I should have defined my goal as attracting business owners who are actively looking for website services that are in the process of building their website or redesigning their existing websites. Now, if I look back at that goal, I wouldn't have made a mistake of spending hours on writing those blogs that do not align with the actual goal of my business. Now, let's map out our website pages or our sitemap. First, we obviously will need a homepage. On a homepage, on a first section, we can immediately separate two of our target audience by having two separate buttons for real estate agents and for homeowners. Also, instead of services, I would have two separate pages. In my menu, this would be real estate agents, and I'm currently brainstorming the actual names of the pages. So we want to be very clear who is this page for, because we don't want to create any sort of confusion when somebody lands on this website. We want to let them know right away what they can expect here and who we can help. That way, it's so important to define your target audience and your value and proposition in your services. We can build out a website around it. So we're going to have a homepage. On a homepage, we're going to have also a dedicated two buttons that would lead them in two separate directions for the homeowners and for the real estate agents. And on the top of that, we can also have two separate pages for real estate and for homeowners. So we're gonna move in about to this. So we don't really need it. Like, it's not the most important page on the website. So we have homepage for real estate agents, for homeowners, and then for the portfolio, we can name this page either sold homes or staging gallery. So this is not going to be all in one line. It's just brainstorming. I think these are the two names that would suit better than the portfolio, because sold homes, you're already showing the result even without them clicking on this page. You already proved your service, which is helping homeowners or real estate agents to sell houses with your service. That's a good one. Or it could be a staging gallery. I think more powerful one is the sold homes. I'm still debating about it. Okay, anyway, it's already better than just a portfolio, right? We are being very clear. The person lands on our website and they immediately, by just looking at our navigation, they already know what our services are, what are we providing here. Then we have an about page. And then I guess instead of contact, we can, as we define our main goal for this website is to book a consultation, right? I'm assuming I would offer some sort of free consultation for this type of service. Here, I would say book a free call, and this is going to be the button in our navigation. This is going to be our main button that people can click and book a consultation with us. And the reason I'm doing that is, again, I'm trying to optimize everything on this website to help people complete one exact action, is to book a free call with us. And then on a free call, we can sell our services to them. Your website should be designed to drive action, not just provide information. Every page should guide visitors towards booking a call with you instead of sending them to a generic contact form. Because a contact form often leads to unnecessary back and forth emails, delays, and lost potential clients who never follow through. A direct booking link removes friction and makes it easy for them to commit. Now let's quickly take a look, see what are we gonna include on the rest of the pages. For the real estate agents page, we want to obviously include a headline and interest statement by indicating and explaining why the staging matters for agents, and maybe indicate some stats that prove that how staging homes would actually increase the number of sales. For example, again, I'm not sure that this is actually true, meaning I haven't checked the numbers, but it's obviously the better it looks, the faster it's going to sell. But I'm not sure if the number is actually accurate, as I'm not in a home staging business. Include stats to indicate how many agents have helped in the past. Maybe can indicate the percentage time from showing and selling the home have increased, or something of that sort. Any sort of numbers and stats always increase. It's from something from a human brain that once you show the stat, it makes it real than when you're just describing it in multiple paragraphs. Then we will obviously include all the services that we have for real estate agents, right? Also include before and after examples. And this is important. I want you to think of each page, especially service pages, as its sales page. So I know we're going to have a separated dedicated page for sold homes or staging gallery, but not everybody is going to explore all the information you have put out there. So if you already got some real estate agent to click on this tab to explore your offering, we want to have all the information collectively presented so they can make an informed decision without leaving that page. Because again, the more clicks they make, the higher the chance that they're gonna exit this website. So we want to show them examples, testimonials. Also, if you have worked with some known agents, again, I'm already brainstorming of this business, right, that I have no relation to, in a staging business or in your business, wherever that service business you're running, if you have worked with some known leaders in the market, for example, if some very known real estate agent, we can include them here to take a little bit of their credibility and attach to our service. And last would be to include book a free call. So we don't want them to leave the page. We want them to be able to book our free call right from this page. We don't want them to navigate them to contact page and then from there book a free call. It's just too many clicks. We want everything to be right there. You want to use a service such as Calendly or which is a Squarespace native scheduling system, or something of that sort. You can set all of your availability and everything there, so you don't have to manually manage all this booking stuff. And then for homeowners, we basically want to do all the same, but now we're addressing a different target audience. We will need some sort of headline, stage your home to sell faster for more money, something of that sort. We want some intersection to explain and address common concerns. For example, I have never had to sell my home. The question I would probably had is, do I need to buy furniture or do I need to move out? So you want to think and address all the common questions that clients in your industry usually have. And you want to make sure to have them on your page. The more information you have on your page, but again, it's not about the more the better. You want to include the most important information, right? That is important not to you, but to your potential client. Then we're gonna include services, our list of services, right? Services for homeowners, and we will include time frame. What is the pricing? If the pricing is dependable on something, it's always great to at least give them a ballpark idea. For example, our services start at, let's say our pricing starts at $1,000 and goes up from there, or something like that, just to give them an idea if they can even afford that. Because if you're gonna be getting all of this clicks from people who can't really afford your service, you're just going to be wasting your time on those calls. They're not going to bring any value to your business. So make sure to include some sort of price indicator on your website. And then again, we will include before and after examples so they don't have to leave the page, testimonials, and book a free call. Next, we want to think about the people who aren't ready to book yet. Not everyone who visits your website will be ready to book immediately. Data shows that about 90% of the people aren't ready to take that next step on your website. That's why you need a way to capture their interest before they leave. The best way to do is offer a lead magnet, which is just some free resource you can share with them in exchange for their email address. For example, If we take in our home staging business, this could be a free home staging shopping list, a practical, a high value resource that real estate agents or home sellers will actually use. You can even use ChatGPT to brainstorm lead magnet ideas for your industry, but make sure that it's something truly useful, not just vague, generic information that could be found anywhere online. Once you collected those leads through the lead magnet, the next step is to nurture them into potentially becoming your clients. And for that, we need to follow up with automated email sequence. The moment someone downloads your freebie, they should receive a welcome email. The moment someone downloads your freebie, they should receive an email that confirms their download and introduces you and your business. Even though they've been on your website, they're not going to remember all the information. So once you capture their email, you can introduce yourself again and again. You can also give them the next step, booking a call, checking your case study, etc. This way we create an ecosystem that everything runs on autopilot. This is what people mean when they say their website is working for them 24/7, even while they're asleep. The entire process is automated. Emails go out automatically. Follow-ups email nurture your leads, and booking gets scheduled without any manual effort. You only have to set it up once. Your website is a fully functioning client generating system. Now that your website is built, what's next? To maintain a steady flow of clients and visitors to your website, you need to drive the right traffic. It's not just about getting clicks, remember my story? It's about attracting homeowners and real estate agents who need our services. Getting back to our example of home staging business. Every piece of content you create should be designed to reach and resonate with them. There's many ways you can go about driving traffic to your website. I'm just gonna name a few. It could be SEO and blogging. Optimize your site and create valuable content to rank on Google. You can use paid ads. Run a targeted ads to attract potential clients, which is gonna be way more quicker than going organic route while blogging. You can use social media marketing, such as Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, or YouTube to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Another source of traffic could be a referral traffic. You can tap into other people's network through guest blogs, join webinars, or podcast appearances. Affiliates and partner referrals. Consider building partnership with people in your industry who can link to your site and recommend your services to their clients. So this is going to be a wrap for our website strategy. I hope this video was helpful to you. In my next video, I will show you how to create a website in 1 hour using the strategy we outlined today. So make sure you like, subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop the comment below with your biggest takeaway.